Holy fuck,
just check out the driveway, Jim. That's cool, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I almost threw up in the driveway too.
Nice. Well, that's why, because it's the transmission. Did she bring transmission fluid?
Why is it red?
Because it's transmission.
Better not be. Why is it red though? Like seriously.
I tried to tell you, you don't listen though.
It's not red.
It
just looks red.
You're so easy to trick, Jim.
It looks bright red, does it not? It totally does. It's the reflection of the truck behind the oil.
Right?
Wasn't even on there. Oh, clearance.
Fire's right up.
Fire's right up.
Okay. Doesn't run very good, but it's turbo diesel, Jim. It's turbo f***ing diesel. Right. You got her in four-wheel drive? Let me see. Let me check.
No, I don't.
Let me see if you got her in four-wheel drive. We'll lock her in four, Jim.
Well, I feel like.
What are those? Oh yeah, but this sucks already, buddy.
Yeah, that one part got hard for a sec.
Yeah, so I think I gotta do this and like this. Because, you know what I mean? You weren't pushing hard enough, buddy.
No.
I tried to tell you, push, Jim, and you just were like, no, sorry. I don't do that. Okay.
Oh, we gotta go back. We're touching over here.
No.
Yeah, big time.
Oh, no, not on my pipe.
Yeah, your pipe. We gotta go back.
That should have been buried in the ground a long time ago. Okay, hold on. I gotta turn the wheel. Yeah. This will be so much funner when it runs.
Yeah.
Oh no, turn the wheel.
For it.
Nelson's cousin's over for some tires, looks like. Keep your eyes off the good stuff. How you doing? Not too bad.
Yeah, as you can see, that's why I want tires. These things are freaking, their belts are busted, showing wires are freaking
Good
stuck out.
Lord.
I had to bring the mother-in-law's car up and then hop in the van and bring them back. Yeah, I'm going down the highway. I'm surprised those tires didn't blow out on us. Thank you very much, sir.
No worries, thank you.
还 OK， 就是一个玩，就是一个car，大家吗？去。
Yeah, okay, you stink. Go.
Oh yeah.
You stink.
You need
You stink. You're blocking the door and I can't get out because you stink. Sakes. Holy shit. What is wrong with you? Wow, yeah, I don't know either. I'm like clearly trying to get out of the building and you're standing right in the way, stinking like shit and not moving. I don't understand that. That's crazy to me. Did you meet Tumuchi?
Oh yeah.
That's that guy. Oh, that's a good bar.
Okay, I go. You. How long?
What do you want? Well,
How long?
I'll do it right now, I guess. Save me having to deal with you more times because you absolutely reek. Like that is... You don't have plumbing at your house?
I house.
Yeah, you tore it all out?
Oh, I got it. So,
Yeah.
no people will leave them.
I don't know. You need to start figuring out fix the shower or something, dude. Holy suffering! Wow. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, very good. There, 1, 2, okay. There, 1. There, 1.
Okay.
Oh, everything.
Every time, every time. You're so crazy.
Okay 了 ，OK 了，这是 OK 的 ，no problem。OK 了 ，OK 了 ，thank you，OK。
Put them out.
哦，OK 了，OK 了，OK 了。
You gonna keep coming back because you broke it off?
哎呀，不 OK， 就是哦，for you go 的 here， 2 dollar， 就是that one。
$2.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. You
I don't know,
got it
$2,
for free.
$3, I don't know.
Okay, you saved yourself $3, bud. Look at that.
I don't know. Very good.
Well, of course it is.
Thank you very much. Hey.
Oh, fixing tumuchies hoe. What happened?
My order.
Marijuana?
Yeah.
Higher?
Higher.
Money?
1,000 good one.
1 pound? $40.
You really good?
$40.
Oh. Good, good. Good one?
Well, I hope so. Oh, wait.
Oh.
Think I made of money? You know what I mean?
Okay, thank you very much.
Careful, hot.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, touch it.
Okay.
Oh, the fella met too muchy. But, yeah, whatever. Had to save too muchy. $2.25. Drove 2 nails into a piece of friggin' like galvanized conduit or something, and I don't know, that was dick, but anyways. Yeah. Let's see if my Peter Schmidt will start. I gotta get that trailer out of there and move a bunch of stuff around, so I thought I'd pile all the crap on that trailer on this for now. Because that's a good idea. Hey, we'll just do the shuffle peony, but this thing should have good batteries and whatnot into it, I think. Make sure the friggin' sparkler wires aren't touching. Fire's right up. Holy schnikevitz. Decent. Well, we're over 24 volts. Come on. Got some battery terminal corrosion, so that's probably causing me some grief, but I'd have to get out my good plier and turn it a couple times. I ain't got time for that. Oh yeah, put a little Earl in my truck too, because it keeps leaking it out all over the ground. So that's good. That's good to hear. I'll just torque that down to 3 Bister days and then snap it and we'll be
Yeah.
perfect. That sounds like an awesome Inwood Customs plan. Oh, you got to go in 10 minutes? Well, let me get the old 11 mil out here and turn her into a 3-day escapade looking for clamps again, shall we? End up having to, oh great. Just fantastics. Oh, now we're on the hunt for my good plier, boys. So that's good. There's one of them. Check that out. Plastic wood and spoosh. Let's put like a piece of a fuse panel on there. See if we can just wreck this now. Did it bash peony?
Don't look like it.
Probably just totally f***ed it and it's fucked now. Huh? Oh yeah. Just a fucking maroon. Great. That's custom as frig right there. Don't even need to friggin'. Don't even need to worry about her. She's on there.
So the last thing we just gotta do paint, that's it.
Yeah, what time is it? 2:41. I gotta get the shit off that trailer, hook that trailer onto the truck. So many things to do. So much brain damage.
Which order?
Right? Working? I think that's her. See how she pulls. Oh, that's good. None of the fucking marker lights are working. Oh, none of the lights are working at all. That's fucking great.
No light.